What's up, y'all? It's trade recap for May 9th. So this is my first trade of the week and also my first trade on the funded account. So going into the morning, I noticed we were inside this range. So I marked out my range high and my range low. So then this was my key level. The key level was this 4-hour bullish order block. So I marked that out and I marked out my range high. And so once I noticed we tapped into this range high, I dropped down to see if we could potentially have a reversal. And so once I lowered down to the 5-minute to look for my turtle soup and execute, I noticed we had this turtle soup right here. This was our soup. So we had this soup, and once I noticed that we closed below these two candles confirming the order block, I entered. And as you can see, I entered right here. As soon as we closed below this candle right here, boom, this was my order block. Once I noticed this candle closed below this one, confirming we were going lower, confirming the change in state of delivery. So I entered targeting right here, which is the 50% of the range. You always want to target 50% of the range and the opposing end. So I just got out at the 50%. This is the 50% of the range. You can see if you pull up the fib. Range high, range low, boom, 50%. It lines up. But yeah, so that was the recap for today.